up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things MoEll. Welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago, your girl did another big chop, as you guys probably know, because I did post a video about it on my channel, and the fact that me and my hair just have not been getting along. So I just wanted to kind of cut some inches and have a reset, and I've kind of been having my hair kind of tucked up and out of the way since then. I mentioned in that video that I wanted to get another headband wig, and that's what I did. So my hair has been braided up and out the way, and today is the first wash day since that haircut. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be using, and I will be sure to leave links for you guys in the description box if you would like to pick up these products. I did want to mention that this video is not sponsored. 2 of the 5 products that I'm going to use today were gifted to me, but y'all know I keeps it real over here, so I'm going to be giving you guys my honest opinion on these products, and I will leave links if you would like to shop. I want to thank you in advance. If you do want to pick these products up, please use my links because those really do help support me and support my content creating journey. So I will leave some links for you guys if you are interested. So if you want to see what I do for today's wash day, then just keep watching. And of course, we would love to have you as part of the MoElleian fam. So go ahead, take a moment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all of the good things. And yep, let's get into this wash day. So before we cleanse today, I am going to be doing a treatment on my hair because I am focusing on rebuilding the health of my hair. So before I do that treatment, I just wanted to section it off and make sure the sections were detangled. And the first product that I'm going to go in with is the Olaplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. This was my first time ever picking this up. I picked it up during the Sephora Savings event, and it claims to strengthen weakened bonds deep within the hair strand. It's supposed to repair from chemical, thermal, mechanical, and environmental damage, and it's for all hair types. So you're supposed to apply it root to tip to dry hair, and you want to lightly saturate it. You don't want to completely saturate or drench your hair. You're supposed to process it for 10 minutes, and then I went directly on top with Olaplex's No. 3 Hair Perfector because this is supposed to work hand in hand with the No. 0. The No. 0 honestly is supposed to intensify the benefits of the No. 3, and I already am obsessed with the No. 3, so that was another reason why I wanted to try the No. 0, just to see how they work hand in hand. But the No. 3 is supposed to reduce breakage and split ends. It visibly strengthens your hair and restores healthy appearance and texture of your hair, and you apply it just like you apply the No. 0. So what I did was I just put it right on top and then worked it in again with my brush, and then twisted each section up to get it out of the way and get ready for the next section. But I absolutely love the No. 3, and I do feel like I could already see some of the benefits of the No. 0. I honestly was a little bit afraid of heat damage going into this wash day because it had been so long since I had washed my hair, and my hair was pretty much bone straight, as you guys saw in the footage. But my hair instantly began to revert after I applied the product. So I do feel like, even though this was my first use of the No. 0, that it did what it was supposed to do. So I can't wait to continue using it. And then once I get to maybe an empties video, I can give you guys my full thoughts on the performance of that product. But so far, so good with this first application. Okay, y'all, so here we are in the shower, and I'm just giving myself a quick rinse and a quick little jig before we go in with the shampoo. So the shampoo that I'm going to be using is Olaplex's No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I did get this in PR, so thank you, Olaplex, for sending this product for me to try. At the point of this video, this was probably my 3rd or 4th time actually using the shampoo since receiving it, and I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised by this shampoo. So first of all, for the claims, it's supposed to support bond repair, prevent frizz and flyaways. It's supposed to reduce damage and reduce the appearance of split ends, and it's for all hair types. For whatever reason, when I first heard about this shampoo or saw it in the stores, I thought that it would be a drying formula, but I'm so happy to say that I was completely wrong. I absolutely love the formulation of this shampoo. It is non-drying. It is very hydrating enough to the point to where it can be used for a double cleanse. Like, I didn't feel the need to go in with the more hydrating or moisturizing shampoo after using this. And I also feel like a little bit of this goes a long way. As you can see, it creates an amazing lather lather, which is one of the things that I look for in a shampoo. I like to know that my hair is getting clean. So I love the lather of this. And it just really did a good job of cleansing my hair without stripping it, without making it feel super dry. As you can see, I'm still able to like get my fingers through it and finger detangle, and the look of my hair just looks really good after using this shampoo. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't look dull, it just looks really good. So I was very pleased with the performance of this shampoo. I even got out my scalp scrubber that I have. That's something that I've tried to reincorporate back into my wash day routines, because I do feel like those scalp scrubs do a good job with lifting product buildup and dead skin and all of that stuff off of the scalp, which I feel like you need a healthy scalp. Like that is your foundation for hair health and hair growth. So overall, I was definitely impressed with the performance of this shampoo. So for conditioning, we are going in with Olaplex's number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So this product claims to be a nourishing and reparative hydrating conditioner for soft, shiny hair. It also claims to have perfect slip to prevent tangles, and it also supports bond repair, prevents frizz and flyaways, and protects against daily damage and split ends, similarly to the shampoo. So for me, the pros is that it does soften the hair instantly. Like as soon as I put this stuff on my hair, it just feels like a marshmallow or a cloud or something like that. So it does make the hair extremely soft. It does have detangling properties. Not only was I able to, have my fingers just glide through my hair as I was applying this, but later on I was also able to go in with my shower comb, and I didn't have any issues getting the comb through my hair. So it does have detangling properties. And like I said, with the shampoo, I just feel like my hair visibly looks better and healthier since I have been using this conditioner in conjunction with the shampoo, because I really do feel like the system is designed to work together. These products are designed to work together. So I don't have any cons or any complaints about this conditioner. And y'all know that's saying a lot coming from me, because rinse out conditioners have to fight to get a place in my heart because a lot of times I just feel like they're not necessary. But I really did enjoy this one. I enjoyed it so much to where I did not feel the need to go in and use a deep conditioner after rinsing this out. You're supposed to leave this in for 3 minutes and then rinse. I probably left mine in a little bit longer than that, just because I was, going through each section and making sure that it was thoroughly detangled before I rinsed it out. But my hair felt super hydrated and just plump and healthy looking when it was rinsed. So I did not go in with a deep conditioner after rinsing this out. Now, I did go in with a leave-in conditioner while I was still in the shower, and I used none other than Donna's Recipes Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. So don't be surprised if y'all see this in my favorites video coming up in a couple of weeks, because this stuff right here, when I tell you this is one of the most moisturizing leave-in conditioners that I have in my collection, which is actually why I chose it for today, because I knew that I was going to just be plaiting my hair back up to go back underneath that headband wig. I wanted to use something that I knew was going to be moisturizing so that I would not have to re-moisturize in the next couple of days, and I picked the perfect leave-in for that. So I know I recently reviewed this line and my feelings are still the same. It's still super moisturizing. It smells great. It feels great on the hair. It's easy to apply. And I have to tell y'all, by the end of the week, my hair still felt moisturized. I did not have to go back in and put anything else on my hair. So this leave-in did exactly what I needed it to do for today. So like I said, I just applied it section by section in the shower and then plaited my hair up so that it could be ready to go back underneath the headband wig. And there you have it, guys. A super simple wash day post big chop, but I really do feel like these products are going to go a long way in helping me get my hair back to where it once was before she started tripping. So yes, so far so good with all of these products. I recommend all of them so far. Like I said, I will leave some links in the description box in case you want to check any of these out. If you've already used some of these, especially these Olaplex products, because we haven't talked a whole lot about Olaplex on my channel. So if you've tried these out, out. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on them. And if you tried some other Olaplex products that I have not mentioned, let me know your favorites in the comments, because you know we're a community over here and we like to help each other out. But that's all that I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, because as usual, these do go a long way in helping my channel out. So I appreciate you in advance, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.